Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto. We'll focus on the traditional method, ensuring an authentic taste. You'll need fresh basil, 1 clove of garlic, pine nuts, and 2 types of hard cheese. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is essential for that rich, smooth texture. A small pinch of coarse sea salt will also aid in the grinding process and elevate all the flavors. Now, let's start the magic with a mortar and pestle. First, crush 1 clove of garlic with a pinch of coarse salt until it forms a smooth paste. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of pine nuts. Grind them thoroughly until they become a sticky, creamy mixture. This careful pounding prevents heat buildup, which is key to maintaining the basil's bright, fresh flavor. With your garlic and pine nuts ready, it's time for the star: basil. Add fresh basil leaves in small handfuls, gently pounding them against the mortar sides. Continue until all the basil is crushed, releasing its beautiful green oils. Then, mix in about 2 tablespoons each of grated Parmigiano Reggiano and Pecorino Sardo cheeses, blending them well. For the grand finale, slowly drizzle in about 1/4 cup of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Stir continuously until your pesto transforms into a smooth, creamy, and beautifully emulsified sauce. Taste and adjust the salt if needed. To keep it fresh, store your homemade pesto in an airtight container, covered with a thin layer of olive oil, for up to 5 days in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.